Today I'm going to explain you about an important electrical term which is very popularly used in electrical theories. That is nothing but electrical circuit. So let's talk about it without wasting much time. Simply, an electrical circuit is a path through which the electric current flows in a circular way. So this is the simple definition of an electrical circuit. Typically, an electrical circuit consisting of a power source. Power source always provides the voltage and current throughout the circuit. For example, batteries and generators. And the second one, that is conductors, which carry the electric current throughout the circuit. For example, wire and cable. And the third one, that is the load. Load always consumes the electrical energy like motor and lights, etc. And the fourth one, that is switch, so it control the circuit operation by switching on or off in the circuit. And the fifth one, that is the protective devices. Protective devices always provides the safe against overcurrent and over voltage under voltage, like fuse, circuit breaker and relays. Okay, there are several types of electrical circuits are seen, like series circuit, parallel circuits, and closed circuit, open circuit, and parallel series combination circuit, etc. The electrical circuit can be used for power distribution, electronic devices, industrial control, and transportation. So these are the applications of electrical circuit.